We'll guide you through how to open Google Drive using your desktop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Google homepage by typing google.com into the address bar and hitting enter. Once you're on Google's main page, look at the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see a grid icon made up of small squares. This is your Google Apps menu. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, displaying various Google services. Look for the Drive icon, which resembles a colorful triangle. Click on it, and this will take you directly to Google Drive. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. Simply enter your email and password, then click Next. Once you're signed in, you'll be greeted by the main Google Drive interface. Here, you can upload files by clicking on the NW button on the left side of the screen. You can also create folders, Google Docs, Sheets, or slides directly from this menu. To manage your files, you can drag and drop them into folders, or right-click for more options like moving, renaming, or sharing. Remember, Google Drive offers 15 gigabytes of free storage, which is shared across Gmail, Google Photos, and Drive itself. If you're running out of space, consider deleting unnecessary files or upgrading your storage plan. Now you're ready to start organizing and accessing your documents from anywhere. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.